found myself harboring a deep-seated dislike towards nature and all that it has bestowed upon me. This has left me with a constant sense of incompleteness, driving me to seek fulfillment in unexpected places, such as the mud and alleyways, as if I'm on a quest for satisfaction and wholeness. This relentless pursuit of self-gratification has left me consumed by an insatiable desire for more, almost as if I am attempting to fill a void within myself and attain a sense of completeness. Although I acknowledge the careful design with which nature has crafted me, with every particle perfectly in place, I still find myself compelled to seek ways to refine and mold these elements according to my own preferences. I'm grappling with the idea of expressing myself and questioning whether I am showing ingratitude by rejecting nature's original design and creation of myself. It's as if I am compelled to do so for reasons I can't comprehend, especially when I already appear perfect. My actions seem to be driven by a pursuit of vanity, pushing me to expand and achieve something that I can't exactly pinpoint the reason. I'm constantly upgrading my physical body as I struggle to accept the true sense of my being. Ultimately, I seek contentment to embody and symbolize my aspirations to transform into the person I truly desire to be. I possess a natural inclination to revamp and modify things until they align with my preferences when I find myself dissatisfied. Much like a chameleon, competently altering its colors to blend in with its environment. I soundly adapt to various situations, such as changing my appearance to accentuate my best qualities. I find it a constant struggle to find contentment and truly appreciate the things I already have. It seems like I'm always yearning for something new, making it hard for me to feel genuinely amazed. Balancing various responsibilities in redesigning myself is essential for me to maintain my significance among my peers. I am deeply committed to staying updated with the latest trends and developments in any area of interest. I'm determined to engage with the platforms that allows me to showcase my unique style and personality. I affirm my presence and expect to be recognized, even if it means spending more to enhance myself and putting in extra effort before I present the new me to the world. The presentation is extremely important to me, as it helps me to feel like I belong, even when it appears insignificant. It's crucial for me to stay relevant among my friends. I strive to present myself in an exquisite manner, yet it never feels like it's quite adequate and enough. I am consumed by the relentless desire to constantly change and improve my physical appearance to seem more attractive and presentable. Even though I am endowed with natural attributes, I still feel dissatisfied and lacking. The pursuit of perfection seems never ending. And even when I achieve it, I find that emptiness still lingers within. At certain moments, I find myself thoroughly crafting lists of items I am convinced will meet my needs, only to discover that they consistently fall short. It's as if the vessel containing my needs continuously drains itself, leaving me with a sense of disappointment and frustration. I'm acutely conscious of the fact that I'm still on a journey, tirelessly seeking something that will grant me a profound sense of wholeness. Yet, I often find myself empty-handed, with an extensive sense of mystery shrouding my deepest desires. I grapple with uncertainty, unsure of what I truly want out of my life. It appears that the stronger my desire grows, the more elusive satisfaction becomes. Nobody confidently claim or can claim to understand the depths of my desires, including me. The natural world appears to have a remarkable way of mirroring my own energy and intentions. It responds to me in a similar manner to the energy I project out into the world by allowing me to continue searching for my sense of belonging. What am I?
Confusion.
Confusion. I ask again, what am I?
Confusion.
Confusion. Confusion indeed. Yes, confusion indeed. This word says, waiting we go do and plan. Oh my, this word is truly confusing. The complex and comprehensive natures of our world can often feel overpowering. How do we navigate through the labyrinth of confusion that envelop us each day? Our unyielding desire for more in every aspect of life leaves us feeling unsatisfied no matter what we possess, constantly driving us to seek out additional fulfillment. It seems that everyone is bewildered by the countless of events unfolding within and around us. Indeed, life is undeniably perplexing, presenting itself as a puzzle from every angle. Confusion, the true equilibrium of nature, persists in overwhelming us with its enigmatic presence. Life is confusion.